Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant our lettuce to have 1 to 2 pounds of a harvest a week all season long. Here's a clip from the show. So our lettuce section is this one, and if you remember, we divided into 4. So this is our succession planting. So we're going to plant 1 with transplants, 2 with seeds, 3 and 4 are going to wait. And so we want our lettuce 3 weeks apart. So these will be transplants. These will be up. And then 3 weeks later we'll plant that, and then 3 weeks later we'll plant that one, so that it goes in succession. When that one's done, we'll pull this one out, and then we'll just keep going round and round and round. And that way we get about 1 pound of lettuce every week throughout the whole season, as opposed to if we plant the whole thing, we get 30 pounds of lettuce in 2 or 3 weeks and then nothing the rest of the season. So this is how you have a continuous harvest of lettuce, even through the heat. I mean, it can be over 100 degrees in here, and we're still producing lettuce. So sometimes it's not the heat that makes people lose their lettuce, it's just the fact that they're not replanting. So we're going to grab some seeds, get that in, and then get some transplants in. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 1. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.